For today's drawing, we are going to draw one straight line. You don't need ruler for this. So we can draw here, and we are going to leave little bit of space over here, and then we are going to do our plus sign. You can draw another line, just like how much long would you want here, or log, and after that you can divide this one in 4 pieces, like so. First one is here, then second one, third one, and fourth one. If your line is small, you can make it a little bit longer. Now from here I'm going to draw one smiley face, and this one I will make it kind of like a leaf or drop shape. Same thing here, here, and here. From here again I will do one smiley face, and I will go here and I will connect. So kind of you can think like a lotus flower, but don't go very close to this one. So almost like a 1 finger or 2 finger spacing. So we are done with the basic shape over here. Now other shapes we will start from here. Once you start, this area is going to be a little bit bigger than this one, and you can draw this tube shape, and you can draw here. So our basic shapes are done. Now we are going to do detailing. For I'm erasing the guidelines and the marking lines. So for detailing part, we can think like this. This is half. So I did plus sign here. Now from here I will go up, and I will just not turning, I will go just straight up and come down like alphabet V. This side, when I reach to this plus sign here, I will try to go out and this way. So this is kind of like a sad face. This is also sad face. From here I have to do smiley, and this one, this is the point and this is the point. You have to connect both of them with this smiley face like that, and erase the guideline. For the second one, again we can do plus sign in the middle. So this is our guideline and this is plus sign. Now I will go here. When I reach to the plus sign here, instead of going this way, I will go straight and I will come back like alphabet V. This side I will go here all the way to the plus sign. Instead of here, I will go again straight this time, and instead of going this way, I will go in like this. So smiley. This one is kind of like a sad face, and this one is a smiley. Now from here, this one we did a smiley, so this one we will do sad face like this. And from here to here, we have to do alphabet S. So this is the middle point. I will go first curve and then second curve this way. So let's erase the guidelines. Third one, so same thing, I will do plus sign here. This is mine here, here, and I will go all the way up here. Once I reach here, instead of here, I will start from here little bit this way, and from here I will do smiley really sharp, and I will go here all the way this time. And so this one I didn't reach all the way to half, I started a little bit early, but this one when I will reach at the half, then I will turn this one like this way, sad face and another sad face. From here to here it's going to be alphabet S both sides. So from here we have to connect this point. So this, if I will connect this way, this is the middle point. So from here I will do mirror image for the alphabet S. So I will start from here, first curve and then second curve. Now we have to start from here to here all the way. So let's erase this line to understand. If this is a straight line, this is the middle point. From here I have to go up. The one I did here, same thing I will do, up and then down like this. Means last one. So again I will go halfway here. So we have to do every time little bit different. So for that we can start from here and we can go all the way up here, and then same thing whatever we did here, same thing I will do, but little bit bigger than this one. So go a little bit in here. I will start, I will do one small one here like this, same thing, sad face, sad face. So I started here, I created one sad face, another sad face, and from here I will go up here. The one I did, same thing I will do here. So this is the point, it will go all the way up here. This is the point, it will go all the way up here. So let's erase. From here to here, alphabet S, the way we did here, same thing. So this is the middle point. First one, very close to the guideline. From here to here, this is my middle point here. You can do the same thing, or if you don't want, you can just connect this way. That's also fine. So this part we are done. Now we have to go here to the log. So this one is facing other side, so you have to pull this one like a curvy line. Same thing, it's going to be curvy line. Some of them you can draw in the back here or here. Lip shape here, and you can draw some wood lines. Spirally here a little bit. If you want to do more detail, you can draw some lines, random lines. Once you are done, if you want to add more, you can add here some like alphabet S, the way you did here, same thing, and come here and do the same thing again. So this is up, down, up, down, same thing. And you can add this way too, like parallelogram style. Some few of them are